Hey guys, as you can tell from the title, this is an eyebrow tutorial. So that means today we are going to make some eyebrows. So let's get into the video. Then I use spoon to brush my eyebrows up. I keep brushing my eyebrows in order to arrange the hair on my eyebrows so that it's easy for me to draw the brows. Then I take a regular eye pencil. You can also use a brow definer or a brow pomade. So I use a regular eye pencil. Then I go over the underpart. I use my pencil to draw gentle light strokes under my eyebrows gradually till I fill up the natural line of my eyebrows below, and I do the same above my eyebrows too. Gentle strokes, not just straight line under and above my eyebrows. No, I use gentle strokes above and below my eyebrows. Then I gently fill up my eyebrows gradually in order to make my hair to stop sticking out. Then I repeat the same step on my other side of my eyebrows. I repeat the same step on my other side of my eyebrows. As you can see, eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters. So my eyebrows don't really look alike. But then I go back with my spoolie. I keep on brushing my eyebrows in order to make my eyebrows have this natural looking, flawless look. Then I take my Eyebrow Pro concealer in the shade Fawn. I apply it directly on my eyelid. I prefer this method than applying it at the back of my hand because it's more convenient for me. Then I take my angled brush. Using the product I applied on my eyelid, I gradually take product from the product I applied on my eyelid and I use it to clean up the mess I made under my eyebrows. This helps to make my eyebrows much more defined and clean. So after blending and spreading the products using my brush, I go over the products on my eyelid using the beauty blender. This helps to take excess products out of my eyelid, also to still give my eyebrow that flawless look. Then I go over with concealer above my eyebrows because while drawing my eyebrows, I kind of made a mistake in the arc of my eyebrow. Made a mistake while drawing the arc, so I'm using my concealer to clean up that mistake, make it more defined, and so it can pop like eyebrow. So the steps I made in the left or the right, I made my previous eyebrow, I did that the other one, like the concealer, clean up the mess, and the rest. But in this other eyebrow, I am not going to apply concealer above my eyebrows because with and without concealer above your eyebrows, you still get this natural flawless look when you do it well. So guys, if this video was helpful to you or you enjoyed it, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at @pressure_100 and thanks for watching. Bye.